Basta't nagmamahalan ng lubusan, hatid nito'y walang hanggang kaligayahan. Tunay na ligaya, natagpuan na ni James sa isang Italyana. Bakas sa mukha ng basketballistang si James Yap ang labis na kasiyahan dahil sa kanilang tinamasang tagumpay sa PBA, sa kanyang bagong negosyo at maging sa kanyang buhay pag-ibig.
Yes, tahimik na yung buhay ko ngayon. So, at least sana tuloy-tuloy na, wala nang gulo. Ito naman lagi yung pinagpipray ko na sana maayos na lahat.
Malaking parte raw ng kaligayahan ni James ay ang kanyang nobyang Italyana na si Michela Cazzola.
Oo, kasi siya naman yung nagpapasaya sa akin. Hindi naman ako papasok sa isang relasyon na hindi seryoso, di ba?
Michela hails from Florence, Italy, and she's now working as a secretariat specialist at the Asian Development Bank here in the Philippines.
I studied law, and after I studied in Italy. And after that, I wanted to start diplomatic career, but then I ended up in another, well, similar, but in another organization.
September last year nang maging magnobyo sina James at Michela. Sa kanilang unang pagkikita, hindi raw alam ni Michela na sikat na basketball player si James.
I didn't really know. I met him, actually it was like a sort of, not really blind date, but it's like my friend knows him, so I was with my friend and she called him, so we met, something like that. But I had no idea. I realized after maybe a few months how popular he was.
Nitong nakaraang Hunyo ay nakilala na ni James ang mga magulang ni Michela nang magbakasyon ng dalawa sa Europa.
Oh, they really like my parents really like him. Yeah, because he's so quiet and well-mannered. He has very good manners in the house. He's not, like you say in Tagalog, mayabang. My parents don't like that kind of story, no. And he's very polite, well-mannered. When he eats, so they look at that and they really like him.
Maging si Michela raw ay malapit na rin sa pamilya ni James.
Nag-effort siya na, na makipag-bonding sa family ko. Masaya ako, happy ako na ginagawa niya. And ganon din naman ako sa family niya.
So, are there plans for the two of you to meet one day?
No, I don't know.
As of the moment?
I don't ask. That's his personal, and personal issue.
Actually, wala naman. Actually, alam niya, pero hindi naman masyado pang bata si
Kumusta na ba ang relasyon nila ngayon ng ina ni Bimbi na si Chris Aquino?
Actually, mahirap na tanong yun Sa ngayon, gusto ko lang muna na medyo walang communication. Walang communication muna kasi mas okay yung ganito mas tahimik And I think ganun din siya. Walang communication.
Samantala, ngayong may basbas na ng kanilang pamilya ang relasyon ng dalawa, pinaplano na rin ba ni James at Michela na magpakasal?
Yung kasal lang dyan lang yan. So, kailangan talaga kilalanin yung isa't isa, wag magmadali. Kailangan, basta masaya kayong dalawa. So, ang kasal, di naman nawawala yan